Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing Minecraft. Now I'm just playing the old version of this cause I don't know why I'm doing this but this is my house. This is what it looks like. I have a dock, this thing, this chest but it's empty. What the heck did I have in my So we got like a dock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 9 bolts in the dock, and I have some watchtowers and a statue in the end portal. I mean nether portal, and I have a garden and a bat. It looks like a castle though. I have a nether portal, and it's finally for the house tour. We have this entrance. We have our first floor. We have a couch here. This thing, bookshelves, couch, a chest, and a barrel. We go up, we have a bed, we have crafting chest, we have that thing, behind us and that. We have a nice balcony. We go upstairs, we have this dining table, a bedroom, a bookshelf, 2 barrels, 1 chainsaw, and a lot of bookshelves, and of course another balcony. And you have to sprint to get away. You have to sprint to get up here, bruh. Just please, bruh. Just please. There you go. Then we have this kitchen and 2 beds, crafting table, barrel, 3 barrels, dot, and another balcony, and of course it's the roof attic. We have a bed here, this some sort of thing. We got a blast furnace, smoker, bookshelf, whatever that is. We have a chest and a helicopter pad, and that's it. Jesus Christ. Oh wait, I've also forgot something. I have a farm. That's the entrance. Hey pig. No. Let me ride. Oh. If you're in survival mode, but your animals are gonna come out when you open the gate, just try. If you have a horse in your farm or whatever that's called, just ride in them and just there you go. Haha, you cannot get out. Okay. Thanks everyone for watching, and Statue of Liberty. I don't know if that's Statue of Liberty or not. But thanks for watching everyone. I hope y'all liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you reach my video there, and make sure to turn on notifications bell so you know I'll post more videos. So bye bye.